Jai Hind. Welcome to GS Nexus Current Affairs series. In today's session, we will let you know about the various indices of 2024 and India's performance. Global Gender Gap Index. It was published by World Economic Forum. It has 4 parameters of economic participation and opportunity, educational attainment, health and survival, and political empowerment. First time it was published in 2006. India ranked 129 out of 146 countries. Last year, India was ranked at 127th. No country has achieved full gender parity. Top countries with most gender parity are Iceland, Norway, Finland, New Zealand, and Sweden, while Sudan is the least gender equal country in the world. Next is Global Hunger Index 2024. India ranked 105th out of 127 countries in the 2024 Global Hunger Index with a score of 27.3. This places India in the serious hunger category along with 41 other countries. The Global Hunger Index is a tool used by international humanitarian agencies to measure and track hunger level. The Global Hunger Index score is based on 4 indicators, that is, undernourishment, child stunting, child wasting, and child mortality. India's Global Hunger Index score has improved from 38.4 in 2000 when it was categorized as alarming. However, it is still ranks below its South Asian neighbors Bangladesh, Nepal, and Sri Lanka, which are at the moderate category. Next is Global Peace Index 2024. It is compiled by the International Think Tank Institute for Economics and Peace. India ranked 116th out of 163 countries in the 2024 Global Peace Index. This was an improvement of 10 positions from the previous year. Iceland has retained its position as the most peaceful country in the world since 2008, while Turkey ranks the least peaceful country in Europe on 2024. Western Europe is recognized as the most peaceful region globally in 2024. Next is World Happiness Report 2024. In the 2024 World Happiness Report, India ranked 126th out of 143 countries. This is a slight drop from the last year's 125th rank. India's rank is lower than its neighboring countries like Nepal, Bangladesh, and China. The World Happiness Report is published by the Wellbeing Research Center at the University of Oxford. The report assesses global life satisfaction based on factors such as health, economy, and freedom. Finland topped the list of happiest countries in the world for the 7th consecutive time, and Afghanistan is the least happiest country in the world in 2024 index. Out of 143 countries surveyed, India is ranked 126, the same as the last year. March 20th is celebrated by United Nations as International Day of Happiness. Next is World Press Freedom Index 2024. It is published by the organization Reporters Without Borders. India has been ranked in the 159th position, which is 2 ranks higher than last year. However, India still lags behind countries like Turkey, Pakistan, and Sri Lanka. Top 3 press freedom countries are Norway, Denmark, and Sweden. Bottom 3 press freedom countries are Eritrea, Syria, and Afghanistan. Next is Global Nature Conservation Index. The Global Nature Conservation Index is ranking of countries based on their conservation efforts. The 2024 index covered 180 countries and ranked India at 176 with a score of 45.5. The report is published first time by the Goldman Sonnenfeld School of Sustainability and Climate Change and biodb.com. Bhutan, a global biodiversity hotspot, is the only country in Asia that performed remarkably, ranking 15. The top 3 countries are Luxembourg, Estonia, and Denmark, while the worst performers are Kiribati, Turkey, and Iraq. Next is Human Freedom Index. The Human Freedom Index represents the state of human freedom in the world based on broad measures that encompasses personal, civil, and economic freedom. It measures freedom in 165 countries using 86 indicators of economic and personal freedom, indicating data from 2000 through 2022. The report is co-published by Cato Institute and the Fresher Institute. India is ranked 109th, reflecting a marginal increase of 2 places from the previous year with 6.06. The freest place on earth is Switzerland, followed by New Zealand, Denmark, Luxembourg, Ireland. On the contrary, the lowest level of human freedom were in Syria, Yemen, and Sudan. Next is Environmental Performance Index 2024. The 2024 Environmental Performance Index has 58 indicators including biodiversity, air pollution, air and water quality, waste management, emission growth rates, projected emissions, and so on under the three main heads of ecosystem vitality, environmental health, and climate change. It is published by the Yale Center for Environmental Law and Policy. India ranked 176th among 180 countries in the overall index, while this is the slight improvement from the bottom rank in 2022. The top 5 countries in the 2024 Environmental Performance Index are Estonia, Luxembourg, Germany, Finland, and the United Kingdom. Bottom 4 performers are Myanmar, Laos, Pakistan, and Vietnam. Next is Global Livable Index. It is published by Economist Intelligence Unit for 173 cities globally. For the 3 years in a row, Vienna is named as the world's most livable city, followed by Copenhagen, while Damascus is the least livable of 173 cities in the survey. As per the Global Livable Index, Western Europe continues to the world's most livable region. The report notably features 5 Indian cities. Delhi and Mumbai are tied at the 141st rank with the score of 60.2 out of 100, followed by Chennai, Ahmedabad, and Bangalore in the index. Next is Emission Gap Report 2024. It is published by United Nations Environment Programme, indicates that the world is on track for a potentially catastrophic temperature rise of 2.6 to 3.1 degrees Celsius by the end of century. The report also highlights the need to reduce greenhouse gas emissions by more than 40% by 2030 to meet the goals of Paris Agreement. India's greenhouse gas emission increased by 6.1% in 2023. Next is Sustainable Development Goals India Index 2023-24. It is 4th edition of country's principal tool for measuring national and subnational progress on the Sustainable Development Goals was released by Niti Aayog. All states have shown an improvement in overall score. Overall, Sustainable Development Goal score for the country is 71 for 2023-24, significant improvement from 66 in 2020-21 and 57 in 2018. Between 2018 and 2023-24, fastest moving states are Uttar Pradesh, followed by Jammu and Kashmir, Uttarakhand, Sikkim, Haryana, Assam, Tripura and Punjab, and Madhya Pradesh and Odisha. Significant progress is in Goal 1, that is no poverty, Goal 8, decent work and economic growth, Goal 13, that is climate action, and Goal 15, life on land. Goal 13, that is climate action, records highest increase in score from 54 in 2020-21 to 67 in 2023-24, followed by Goal 1, that is no poverty, from 60 to 72. That's all for today. For more such videos, stay tuned to GS Nexus.